Hey, how's it going guys? Jack and Matt here with the Toasty Bros, and today we're taking a look at a $500 refurbished HP that is from your friends at Walmart.
This thing features an RTX 2060 and i5-12400F for $500. The price is a little bit suspicious, but this is a refurbished desktop, so we'll see what kind of shape it's in. But first, a word from today's sponsor.
Today's video is brought to you by FlexiSpot and their E1FR standing desk. The E1FR is an electric height adjustable standing desk featuring a dual tier design and unique tilted pegboard. You can even customize your desk with your preferred color and size. The dual tier design is perfectly designed to accommodate ergonomics. The desk shelf keeps your monitors directly at eye level while freeing up space on the lower desktop for keyboard, mouse, and other accessories. The spacious 55-inch desktop and 120-degree slope are designed with a steel pegboard to organize a variety of small items and sticky notes. It's perfect for keeping everything organized and within reach. With a sturdy steel frame and electric motor, the desk can adjust between 28.7 inches and 48.4 inches with no problem. The integrated multi-function controller comes with 6 smart buttons and an LED display for ease of use. This desk is built for any room or task, making it usable as a home office desk, gaming setup, or even reading workstation. FlexiSpot also has a standing desk for every price point. With some crazy discounts across all their products, you can find the perfect desk for your budget at their Amazon store. Check out the link in the description for more info, and big thanks again to FlexiSpot for sponsoring today's video.
So the good news about this box is it is an HP certified refurb box, which usually most people don't fake those, so I have pretty high hopes in this. That means it probably went actually to HP, or at least a certified HP retailer or dealer, and then from there they fixed whatever was wrong with it. So we're gonna find out if it was really fixed. We're also gonna see if there's any damages that could have happened while it was in transit from wherever it came, because keep in mind, this probably is not straight from Walmart. It's probably from like a third-party retailer that sells on Walmart's website.
I'm seeing something sticking out right here.
Suspicious.
Well, wait a minute. Whoa. Is this a secret note? Just a packing slip, not that exciting. McAllister put something really exciting on this. Well, I'm not even excited about this computer anymore. There was nothing exciting on that slip.
There wasn't. So let's hope that the computer has something really shocking inside so that we can clickbait the heck out of you guys.
Whoa!
But I see we have a black HP Victus, which for a while we were only getting the white one. I'm normally like an all black build kind of person, so that means we do get a black keyboard, we get a black mouse. If you get the white one, it'll actually usually come with the white keyboard and white mouse, which is kind of cool. But they're just really basic keyboards. They're not gaming keyboards. Even though you're buying a gaming PC, you kind of have to buy an Omen or something a little higher end if you want some gaming peripherals. So far, the unboxing experience actually looks brand new. I mean,
it does.
Yeah, I don't really see anything too crazy here. We have our power cord, some instructions. The only thing we might not maybe have is like the warranty guide. That could be in there though, I'm not really too sure. But I've always liked unboxing these HPs because they're super easy. Any other pre-built, it's gonna take you like 20 minutes to get it out of all these boxes and stuff. This one, nice and simple.
One thing I wanted to notice on that box, the shipping label says this was from a fulfillment Walmart center. So if that means anything.
So it could have actually been almost straight through Walmart then. It might have not been a third party, which is pretty rare. I mean, most of the time when it comes to the stuff that we do here at the Toasty Bros, which is electronics, they usually end up coming from really random companies. But I do know Walmart does stock HP. They usually do have HP, Acer, sometimes Dell in stock. So yeah, I mean, this could have gotten sent back from when they sold. So right off the gate, I do see this might be why it's
got
refurb.
some damage.
Yeah, I wonder what hit it, because it's like green, like it rubbed off on there. Maybe underneath the paint it's green, like that green primer. I don't know. That's definitely interesting. That could be all that's wrong with it, which I would appreciate more knowing there was some dents on it than knowing like there was a software, like a hardware issue. But the front looks brand new. Sorry, the side. And then the front looks really good. Hopefully our little light back here works. I always loved the little infinity mirror. We have our i5 12-pin sticker. On the front, we have a combo headphone jack. We have 2 USB 3s, and then we have 2 more 3s that are I think they're the supersonic speed 3s, and then we have the USB-C. On the back, we usually don't have a whole lot. We just have all of our audio ports. We have 4 more USB 2s it looks like, and then we have an Ethernet jack, and then our graphics card, our 2060 is a 2-lane card, has 1 DisplayPort, 1 HDMI, 1 DVI.
It is rocking a little bit. Wait, or is it just where you're
Maybe
sitting?
there's I don't know.
I think it's just what it was sitting on for a second.
I said, don't rock it. Don't rock it no more. So we're gonna go and open this up. We're not modifying anything, so I don't think I'm gonna break it just by opening it. But let's see inside of here. I always love this. Nice little holders that they build in. It looks like we do have expansion that's ready to go for like a hard drive or an SSD that'll fit in this tray right here. It looks like there's one M.2 in there that is a SK Hynix NVMe 512 gig, which I love to see. Single channel RAM, which we
don't love to see.
But kind of weird, Samsung.
Really?
HP like never uses Samsung. They always use SK Hynix. That's really weird to see. but it looks like it's a 8 gig at 3,200 megahertz actually. So that's not bad, but it is single channel. That's bad. We don't like single channel. It will run, it'll play games still, but we are gonna lose some performance naturally. We have our 6 gig 2060 right here. Underneath this cooler, we have our i5. This isn't like an old pre-built, so I'm not gonna reapply thermal paste. We're just gonna trust it. Now let's see what our power supply is. Total power can actually 500 watts.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, no, it took
got
you.
me. You could actually even get more. You could actually do like a 2070 or something like that in this if you wanted to, because it has 2 PCIe 6-pin, which is pretty cool. So now that we've looked inside the build, let's just see if this thing turns on. Look at this even. It has an extra CPU power. It's kind of interesting. You don't see that too often.
I've never, like every Victus we looked at hasn't had a power supply like that. It's been very bare bones, but maybe because we're just looking at the lower spec model.
Okay, so CPU fan spinning. Graphics card's fan is spinning, which is good. Our logo, our Infinity logo is working. I can hear the powers. I can feel the power play. Powerful span spinning right there. But no, the build looks like it's working. I like how this actually glows too. I don't think you'll even get to see it, but that is nice. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna assume that it works. Hook it up to our test bench. We're gonna download a few games. We're definitely gonna test some AAAs. We're gonna test some esports on it. And I think it's gonna do pretty good. These things tend to run really well. So let's just get to it. All right, guys, we're playing some Overwatch 2 to go ahead and start this off, and we are actually on ultra settings right now with FSR 1.0 on, and then we got 1080p going with our 60 FPS monitor, but we do have the frame rate limiter turned off, so.
Not too shabby.
Latencies are definitely a little higher than normal, but that could be because of the RAM too.
Yeah, I think it's the RAM. Yeah, we're almost maxing out the 8 gigs we have, so when we do some of the built-in benchmarks, I'll try to throw in some 16 gig tests so you guys can see what the upgrade would be. Oh, you're gonna get breaking
team
now.
just like dead.
What happened to your team? Yep.
Oh, unless I could give him the old juke and roomies.
He's running. Oh, spaghetti.
Oh.
Hey. I feel like when you're...
I did not mean to just fat finger that, bro. Get away, Ryan, please. See, okay. Just got still all of a sudden. I'm gonna die.
Oh, you got baited back in.
I wanted to charge. God.
He's like,
I didn't have it, dude.
You had the chance.
Work. Oh, I can't believe I actually got it. Oh god. Oh, I'm hurt.
Hey, you're at the... Oh, I think you got it.
Oh. He was getting healed. Will Ryan ever ult? Or will Ryan never know?
Oh, flame, you're done. Lucio,
Come here,
you're done.
Lucio.
Spaghetti.
Oh, I tried to put my shield up because I saw that coming. And it's just...
Yeah.
I can't charge. Dang it. I'm dispersing them. Oh god.
He came back for you.
This felt worth.
Oh, what happened?
He got powered up.
Oh no.
I don't know how he didn't die actually. I just know. Oh come! I was behind the robot. Let's go. All right. The show goes on. Oh. God.
Yeah, no.
The show does not go on.
That's a way for the show to end.
They said GG. That's how you know it's done. All right, guys. Well, that was Overwatch. That was a sad loss. But let's go to the next game.
Escape, Fortnite. Hey guys, I'm in Fortnite. They just said, screw you, you're going into Fortnite. I'll drop in, and if I survive, you can see the settings.
My man got drafted.
Yeah, so we are on DX12. I think like high settings right now. We were having an issue at first, but it was all user error. You know what? It's all good now. Yeah, we're gonna see how Fortnite performs. Obviously, Fortnite really likes dual channel memory, so we might deal with some latency issues, a few stutters here and there because of that. So getting that upgrade would be a good idea.
Pop a shield.
We're doing that. I'll show you guys what we're working with here. DLSS balanced and medium high settings.
Matt, they're defenseless. Now kill the other guy. Oh wait, there's a guy. Oh. Ooh. They got a skin too. Dang,
Wow.
100 damage.
I'm right in the noggin. What is going on? Oh! Bro! You're making me run it back. My God.
No.
The greatest battle of all time! Yeah!
Epic bot battle.
Why do you pull out a gun? Oh!
I don't know, it doesn't
No!
Oh!
69, that is the way to end this. Anyways, that's Fortnite. As you can tell, it runs pretty good. Upgrading the dual channel probably eliminates some of the stutters going on there, but if you're able to find a refurb with these kind of specs in it in this Victus, I don't think you complain about the performance.
He just died in the bot.
Wasn't worth it, was it? Let's go ahead and switch this build to benchmarks and wrap this video real quick.
All right, guys, we just got done testing the Victus, and overall, for the price that we got it for, it worked out absolutely amazing. Now, obviously, this is a refurb deal. Some of them will not work at all, and some will work amazing. Most of the time, in our case, they've worked really well. We just always have to kind of warn you guys, hey, you never know what you're gonna get. But yeah, for the price, absolutely amazing. Just upgrade that RAM.
As you're seeing on screen right now, the benchmarks we're showing you are some higher end games, and we tested them with 8 gigs and then 16 gigs. We swapped the 8 gig stick in there and put a full 60 gig kit in there, and you can tell the performance jump was pretty significant in every single game we tested, especially the higher end titles. So just spending an extra like 40 bucks for another stick of memory, or sometimes even cheaper, will allow you to make this thing an absolute awesome gaming PC. And I have a feeling you'll find more refurb deals like this as they start phasing out these 2060 systems. Even though the 2060 is still a very capable GPU, it's getting a little bit older, so I imagine they'll be replaced with more 3060 systems. So keep an eye on for these. At 500 bucks or even like 550 bucks, it's a great deal. And check the link down below to do some hunting yourself. Probably won't be an affiliate link, it'll go to walmart.com, but we'll leave some links to some other ones on HP's website if you feel like buying some of their newer Victuses, because we do like those as well.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one, and goodbye.
So this PC right here now that's been tested and given the Toasty Bros seal of approval will be for sale at PCBros.tech, probably with some upgraded RAM too, because we like to give you guys the best deals. So make sure you check out PCBros.tech.
PCBros.tech. Gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and so much more. Use code ToastyBros2 and check out and save 2% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Peace out.
Buy merch and stuff too.
PCBros.tech.
Stickers.